was yours, you were mine. But it's time to say goodbye. Didn't know that the honeymoon's just a phase. Now I understand, I learned it firsthand with you. Thought it would last forever. Oh, you should have loved me better. Should have loved me better, 'cause we might still be together before we split up. Always believed we would never. Till the afternoon, till the afternoon. That was when the moon started to become moon. Oh, so I surrendered, 'cause I couldn't see things getting better. So in the afternoon, did what I could do, now you're in my review. Yeah, oh. Hasn't always been this wrong or this bad, but after some time I realized you and I were in the match. You should have loved me better. Should have loved me better, 'cause we might still be together before we split up. Always believed we would never. Till the afternoon, that was when the moon started to become moon. Oh, so I surrendered, 'cause I couldn't see things getting better. So in the afternoon, did what I could do, now you're in my review. Yeah. Ooh, no turning back, so we know it wasn't all. Now it's time to say goodbye, say goodbye. No turning back, so we know it wasn't all. Now it's time to say goodbye, say goodbye. No turning back, so we know it wasn't all. Now it's time to say goodbye, say goodbye. No turning back, you know it wasn't all. Now it's time to say goodbye, say goodbye. I dare you to fix me. I'm crossing the line again, falling on my knees. No stranger to pain, it's never ending, it's only something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid, if I let go of this pain, am I completely betrayed? There's no air left to breathe, I'm drowning, vultures are circling me. Around it, I need to fight, I know it's just so hard to let it go. Shine a light I can see. Something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid. If I let go of this rage, am I completely betrayed? Something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Oh, admit that I'm afraid. If I let go of this rage, am I completely betrayed? My heart, my love, my life, the price. It's hard to fight goodbye. Shine a light I can see.
Deep within, here we go, but somehow I'm caught in the middle. Is this the end before we've even begun? Should I work against the flow? A drop in the ocean so endless, reaching for our moments miles above. I just need one. Diving in to all this endless space, falling stars, but still I see you. Sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep, deep blue. all embrace our wondrous sea. Diving in to all this endless space, falling stars, but still I see you. Sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep, deep blue. I'm diving in.
눈 뜨면 눈부신 아침 햇살과 모닝콜로 너와 시작하는 하루, 마치 내 인생의 포커스가 지금에 맞춰진 걸까. 따뜻한 모닝커피의 향기가 오늘 하루도 날 기대하게 만드는 걸. 우리 오늘은 또 어떻게 지낼까. 너를 가만 보고 있어도 좋아. 아무 말도 하지 않아도 난 좋아. 너의 눈만 바라봐도 내 모든 걸 다 알 것 같아. 우린 너무 완벽하게 모든 게 다 잘 맞아서 가끔만 걱정이 돼. 네가 날 떠나가 버릴까봐. 쓸데없는 다른 걱정 따윈 생각하지 말기로 해. 오늘은 우리 기다렸던 데이트 날이야. 손을 잡아줘. 오늘 데이트도 멋졌어. 너도 좋았어. 내일은 또 어떤 곳을 너와 함께 가볼까. 너와 함께 먹고 싶었던 명동 길거리 음식, 내일 그걸 먹으러 가볼까. 너와 마주 앉은 지금이 난 좋아. 너의 마음도 알 것 같아. 모두가 너의 눈만 바라봐도 내 마음을 들킬 것 같아. 우린 너무 완벽하게 모든 게 다 잘 맞아서 가끔만 걱정이 돼. 네가 날 떠나가 버릴까봐. 쓸데없는 다른 걱정 따윈 생각하지 말기로 해. 오늘은 우리 기다렸던